So if you've watched any of the content on my channel, then you would know that I'm a big believer in putting time and effort into building a solid income online. But in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 ways that I believe to be the most laziest and passive ways to make money from anywhere in the world. These methods are going to be able to generate you passive income without you having any previous experience or any money to invest. I'm even going to go as far as to throw in a bonus strategy right at the end of this video that I use to generate just under $20,000 in 1 week. So make sure you stick with me all the way to the end here. Alright, so the very first method that you can use to make passive income online in a very lazy way is by using this website that you can see on your screen right now called guru.com. This is simply a freelancing website similar to Upwork and Fiverr, but what makes this website special is that people are willing to pay you anywhere from $15 all the way up to $100 for simply proofreading text. As you can see for yourself, this lady charges around $48 an hour just to edit and proofread. And if you take an even closer look, you can see right down here on the left hand side that her all-time earnings is well over $400,000. She's been paid almost $500,000 just for sitting at home and reading text and just editing a few mistakes. But what makes this great is that you don't even have to do any of the work yourself. You don't have to waste your time reading any of these long essays. Instead, what you could do is use this free AI tool, ChatGPT. You just go over to chat.openai.com, create a free account, and then simply paste the text that you've received over into ChatGPT. So for instance, what you could do is just ask the AI to proofread and edit this text, and then simply just paste the text here, and then you'll see for yourself within a matter of seconds, ChatGPT is going to give you back the same essay, but it's going to edit it. It's going to make sure that the text is right. There's no grammatical errors, no spelling mistakes, nothing like that. And then you can just submit it back to your clients and get paid. And as I showed you earlier, people are making $15 all the way up to $100 an hour, and you have a big advantage over them because you can deliver this work faster and be a step ahead of the competition. This idea that I've just given you, you can really just scale this to the moon. $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month can be made leveraging ChatGPT. Now, the second way you can generate passive income online in an extremely lazy way is by heading over to this website right here called rev.com, and specifically rev.com/freelancers. As you can see right here for yourself, earn money transcribing, captioning, and subtitling from anywhere at any time. I did tell you at the start of the tutorial, you can do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you're in Ghana, if you're in India, Jamaica, Pakistan, whatever it may be, you will be able to make money with any of the strategies in this video today. Now, specifically what we'll focus on here is transcribing. And if you don't know what that means, it's simply when someone provides you with an audio file, you listen to it on your headphones, on your speakers, whatever it may be, and you just write down everything that you hear. Usually these are podcasts, speeches, or any sort of long form audio. You just put your headphones on and you just type exactly what you hear on the file. This is probably one of the most easiest and laid back method on this entire list. And as you can see down here, Rev is willing to pay you anywhere from 30 cents all the way up to $1 for every minute that you're listening to the audio. And I'm pretty sure most of you guys that are watching this video have probably listened to podcasts ranging anywhere from half an hour all the way up to 2 hours out of your own free will. Now imagine coming over to this website right here, getting paid $30, $60, up to $120 just for sitting back, listening to a piece of audio and transcribing it into a Word document. This is easy money right here, but we're not just gonna stop at this website. What we're gonna do is take it to a whole nother level by involving AI and making the AI do all of the work for us. All you have to do is head over to this website right here, which is called rhythmix.com. As you can see for yourself, convert audio into text with this AI tool, so you don't have to listen to any audio. You can just simply upload the file here, sit back, and it's going to do all of the work for you. And once the AI has finished the transcription, all you have to do is head back over to rev.com, submit the work, and you can get paid just like that, whether it's to $30, $60, and as I said, you can make all the way up to $120 for every single job that you do on here. Now, before we move into the next lazy way you can make money online, go ahead and smash that like button right now if you've received any value in the video thus far. Thank you for that, and make sure you stay tuned to the very end of this video because as I said, I'm going to show you my #1 way to make money online that's generated me just under $20,000 in just 1 week. With that being said, let's go ahead and move into the third method on this list to show you guys how you can make some more passive income online. As you can see right now, this is the back end of one of my faceless YouTube channels, and with just one video I've managed managed to generate close to $4,000 in YouTube ad revenue. And the greatest thing about this is that I posted this video last year, and as you can see, this is still making me money every single day. So this is probably one of the most passive ways on this entire list. I'm literally making money while I sleep for work that I did ages ago. And all you have to do to get started with this passive income stream right here is head over to this website called Script AI. What this is just another great AI tool that helps you generate YouTube scripts. I was writing a script out yourself. What you can do is come over to this website and generate an entire YouTube script within minutes. And don't worry guys, I'm going to leave all the links to these websites down in the description so you can check them out right after you finish watching this video. And once you've generated the script, what you have to do next is come over to this website right here called 11 Lab. And this is just another AI website, but this one generates a human-like voiceover because we're not showing our faces on these videos. This is all faceless, right? So what you're going to do here is enter the script that you got from the previous website, and then within a matter of seconds, you're going to hear a human-like voice read your entire script that you can then upload onto YouTube and make money through the ad revenue, through sponsorships, through affiliate marketing. There's multiple different income streams with this strategy. And to bring this method all together, what you could do to finish it off is head over to invideo.ai, which is an online AI video editing service. So you can get the script, audio, and then add all the extra visuals to make it visually appealing for people to watch the entire video, upload it onto YouTube, and you could be making potentially thousands of dollars if you stay consistent with this side hustle right here. Now, the next way I have for you guys to make passive income from anywhere in the world is this website right here called like4like.org. This is simply a website where you get credited for engaging on other people's social media posts. So for instance, if you like someone's post using this website, you will get credit on your account that you can use to get automatic likes and engagement onto your social media accounts, whether this be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, LinkedIn. It doesn't matter. Like4like has engagement for any social media account. Now, this video is all about doing the least amount of work and making the most amount of money possible. So we're not going to be liking anyone's post with this method today. Instead, what we're going to be doing is installing a like4like bot that's going to automatically like other people's posts and give us the credit so that we can use it to boost the engagements on our account. And once the bot has generated all of the credits, you can use it for like, comments, followers, whatever it may be. And you might be thinking at this point, Dre, how is this going to make me money? And that's simple. What we're going to do is create a niche account, meaning that we're going to create a social media account that's based around a particular topic. This could be fitness, it could be relationships, spirituality, making money online, whatever it may be. You're going to create a very niche account. Then you're going to use the credit from the like4like.org to build up the account to get followers, comments, all of that. Then once the account is big, let's say it has over 10,000 followers, what you can do is go on a website like FameSwap and sell it to people for hundreds of dollars. So as you can see right here, buy Instagram and YouTube channels. So once you've built up this account, you can see for yourself right here, someone is selling a TikTok account with 100k followers for almost $900. An Instagram account has 55k followers, someone is selling it for $500. And as we go down through this list, you can see people are selling accounts for 3k, 2.5k, 4.8k right here. It even goes up to $10,000 that you can earn on here by selling a social media account. This is a great side hustle if you don't have much time, you just want a bot that's going to work in the background 24 hours of the day. You just build up an account and come on FameSwap and sell it. This is an easy side hustle, and people have been doing this since 2015 and making tons of money online, and now it's your time to take advantage of this. Now, moving into the next method that can make you some easy passive income online is this website right here called 10web.io. And I've actually spoken about this website on my channel before. I'm going to leave a link to it at the top right here, but this is essentially an AI website builder that you can use to generate a website within a matter of minutes. All you have to do is just come to this website, answer a few questions about what type of website you want to create, and just like that, within a matter of seconds, the AI is going to create a totally professional website for you. And they even have a feature where you can copy the link to any other website on the internet, paste it back into 10web, and the AI will duplicate the entire website. This tool is truly incredible, and you have the potential to make well over $10,000 a month if you use this tool correctly. And I'm not just throwing random words out here. This is something I know to be a fact. If we look at Fiverr right here, you can see that these people are charging $25, $45, $15 an hour, you know, $60 an hour, another $60 an hour here. People are charging a lot of money to create different websites online. For many of my businesses, I've paid anywhere from from $800 all the way to $2,000 for a website. So imagine if you could come on here, create an account and start charging people similar amounts to create a website that would usually take these developers weeks, if not months, but you can literally create a website within minutes using the powerful 10Web AI tool. Trust me when I say this is a massive opportunity right now that can put you 10 steps ahead of any of the other freelancers on this site, because they're still doing it manually, whereas you can use AI and take on 10, 20 jobs a month and make bank by creating these different websites for businesses that are looking to get customers online in this new economy. Now, the next very lucrative passive income side hustle I want to talk to you about today is the one that you can see on the screen right now, and that is editing podcasts. As you can see right here, this guy called Dave, he's willing to professionally edit podcasts, audio and video for people on this platform, and he's charging $60 for a basic edit. He's charging over $80 for 30 minutes of content here, and he has a premium package where he's charging over $140 for simply editing podcasts. And this is just on the lower scale. I found people on different platforms that are charging up to $200, $300 just to edit podcasts. If you haven't noticed, this type of content has blown up over the years and the demand has skyrocketed. There's so much people starting podcasts left, right and center, and you can really tap into this industry and make a lot of money. Now, I know most of you guys probably don't know how to edit podcasts. What we're going to do instead is use a very powerful AI tool to edit these podcasts within just one press of a button. The website you're going to use for this is called cleanvoice.ai, and you can see from the title of the website, stop wasting your hours editing podcasts. CleanVoice is the artificial intelligence tool that is going to filter sounds, stuttering and mouth sounds, and really enhance the sound and the quality of podcasts. And as I said, this is going to be done within seconds. You just get the podcast from Fiverr or Upwork from one of the clients, place it over to CleanVoice, and then once you get the audio back, you send it back to the clients and you get paid. It's as simple as that. And you're going to have a big advantage over any of these people that are spending hours editing these podcasts, because you're going to be able to deliver much faster, your customers are going to be happier, and most importantly, you're going to be able to make a lot more money if you can service more people in the market. But trust me when I say AI has totally flipped the game on its head. When I started internet marketing back in 2015, we didn't have anything like this. So if you're watching this video right now and you have internet access, there's no reason for you to be broke, especially with all the side hustles I'm showing you right here. Now, last but not least on this list of lazy passive income ideas is one of my favorite ways to make money online, and that is affiliate marketing. And the way I'm going to show you how to do it today is specifically with YouTube Shorts that you can use to generate hundreds of thousands of views, 4 to 5 figures a month online. And just like I said at the start of the video, I use the same strategy to make just under 19,000 in 1 week. Now, if you take a look at the screen right now on just one affiliate program, you can see for yourself, yesterday I made over $780. In the last 7 days, I've made close to $6,000. And in the last 30 days, I've made a whopping $23,000 on this one affiliate network using affiliate marketing. So by far, this is the most lucrative way on this entire list to make passive income online, and you can even turn this into your main income stream. What I'm going to do is leave a link at the top right here for you to check out, where I've broken down this entire method step by step so you can see how I've generated this amount of money through affiliate marketing. For now, what you need to do is come over to this website right here called clicandshort.com, and this is where you're going to be able to get your short form content and really go viral on these social media accounts. As you can see right here, generate viral content within seconds, expand your reach, save time and resources. This is a very powerful tool that also works with AI that creates content that goes viral time and time again. All you have to do is get a long form video from YouTube, paste it over into this website right here, then it's going to cut up a lot of different short form clips that you can then distribute all over social media. You can post this on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, TikTok, all of these social media accounts. You can just blast all of this content that you got from here, but the key is it must be a popular video. It must be like a popular podcast or video that people are watching, maybe in the trending section of YouTube. This is the ultimate key to going viral right here. The video has to be popular, and this is some of the inside tactics that I'm giving you guys right here that you can use to make a lot of money with this strategy. But remember, we're not aiming to make money right away with the YouTube partner program. Instead, you're going to leverage affiliate marketing. So you're going to go to sites like Digistore24, Impact, ClickBank, and get some products that are related to the video that you can put in the description. And then once people watch the videos, they get value, then they click on the links links in your description and make a purchase. This is how you're going to essentially make money like how I'm making with affiliate marketing. As I've showed you, I've made 23,000 in the last 30 days, and you can do the same as long as you stay consistent and do everything I showed you. You're well on the way to making passive income online. Now, if you want to see more ways to make money online, then make sure you've liked this video and you're subscribed to the channel, because I've got so many bangers that I'm going to post on this channel that you don't want to miss out on. And if you're not done for today and you want to watch another great banger video, then this is the video I recommend you watch next on the channel, where I dive deep into affiliate marketing and show you guys even more great strategy. And with that being said, thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.